This is the assembly of the Lab Jack with the motorized stepper into the base of the laser. I pre-positioned the jack in approximately the center. I put the plate on top and I made sure it's roughly centered. And then on the side here I slipped in a 2mm piece of wood, and that's going to be my gap in the back. This is the assembly of the Lab Jack with the motorized stepper into the base of the laser. I pre-positioned the jack in approximately the center. I put the plate on top and I made sure it's roughly centered. And then on the side here I slipped in a 2mm piece of wood, and that's going to be my gap in the back. With the table removed, this was the table that came with the K40 laser. With it removed, I ended up using 4 screws to mount the base, or the lab slide to the base, and then the 2 screws to hold the C bracket in place. Once I got those in, the next step is to put the top back on and center it. After the Lab Jack is mounted to the base, I reinstalled the working surface on top of the Lab Jack, and then I used a 2mm spacer and I pushed the base up against the spacer. There's a little bit of slop in the hole that's drilled in the Lab Jack, which allows me to do some adjustment, and then I tighten up the Lab Jack and it's ready to go. So if I press the button, it comes up. This is the clockwise button. If I press the counterclockwise, it goes down. Right now, since I don't have any stops up or down or limit switch or anything like that, I'm using, I placed an index card here and then I marked it. I went to the lowest position. You can see the red line. And then as it comes up, this is, the green area is basically anywhere in there I could make an adjustment. You can see where it stops fairly quick. You got to press the same button that you're using to go up. If you're pressing the clockwise to go down and you want it to stop, you either hit the stop button or you hit the counterclockwise button. You hit the clockwise button. If you were to hit the opposite button, it would not stop right away. To show you how simple it is to align it, I'm using the square. I set it on top of a tile. I'm going to go up until I see the bubble. There you go. It's all set. Aligned perfectly.